I must say, it's very nice that my husband is able to join me in NICU, so we are both going there every day together. I must say, it's very isolating and a long journey. It's been over 10 days, and you go there every day about 10 o'clock in the morning, and you stay there till 4 5 at night. So it's like a full time job. Um, Being there, talking, sitting, waiting, looking at them, helping where you can. And it's quite hectic because you're just sitting there in the small room waiting, not a lot to do, but you have to be there, you have to be present, you have to be actively helping them, um, because it's your babies. And it's nice to have my husband there with me, otherwise you'll be sitting there alone in one single room, not knowing, not doing anything. So I'm very glad that he could join me every day so far.